In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Calendly. This app is a powerful tool for managing your meetings, availability, and scheduling links. And the best part, you can take it with you wherever you go, right on your mobile device. Let's begin by opening your App Store. If you're using an Android device, head over to the Google Play Store. For iPhone and iPad users, you'll want to open the App Store. This may seem like a simple step, but finding the correct app store ensures you download the right version for your device. Once you have your app store open, the next step is to search for Calendly. Just type Calendly into the search bar at the top. This is important because using the right search term will help you find the app quickly and avoid any lookalikes or unofficial versions. Now, from the list of search results, you need to select the official app. Look specifically for Calendly Mobile by Calendly. You'll be able to identify it easily because it will have the familiar Calendly logo. On Android, you'll see it as Calendly Mobile, and likewise on iPhone or iPad. Choosing the official app is crucial as it guarantees you will get the most secure and up-to-date version. With that, let's move on to installing the app. If you're on an Android device, tap Install. For those on an iPhone or iPad, tap Get. This step is straightforward, but it's where everything comes together, allowing you to access all of Calendly's features on your mobile device. After installation, tap Open to launch the app for the first time. This is where you begin your journey with Calendly on mobile. You'll be prompted to sign in to your existing Calendly account. If you don't have one yet, this is your opportunity to create a new account. Signing in is essential because it will sync your existing schedules and settings, providing a seamless transition from desktop to mobile. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully downloaded Calendly onto your mobile device. Now you can easily manage your meetings and scheduling links on the go. This convenience means you'll never miss a beat, whether you're at your desk or out and about. Remember, having the app on your phone ensures that you stay connected and organized, saving you time and keeping your schedule at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy using Calendly, and make sure to explore all the features it offers to enhance your productivity. Until next time, happy scheduling!